What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be taking the big block Dodge Dart out for a little spin. It's actually been probably 7 months. I think it was like September 2nd or somewhere around there was the last time that I've even driven that car. So I figured I'd go out for a quick drive and maybe blow some cobwebs out, and thought I'd take you guys along. I'm going to try this GoPro head mount. Hopefully it gives you kind of a driver's seat perspective. We'll find out. Clean the windshield real quick before we get going, I think. Been sitting so long, she's a little dusty. And before I get going too, I don't know, you guys probably won't be able to hear me that well with the GoPro audio, so I am going to apologize in advance. Probably won't be doing much talking on the drive, so. Nice sunny day today. It's around mid-50s. That's the brake pedal spring squeaking. But there's still quite a bit of debris on the sides of the roads up here from when we had the ice storm in the middle of February. Tore stuff up. How we doing on temp? Looks like we're about 165. That's really good, actually. Just give it a little gas, see what she does. Forgot how much power this thing actually has. That was a low RPM second gear pull, and it shoved me back a little bit. Well, guys, I'm going to call this one a video. If you'd subscribe to my channel, that'd be much appreciated. Click the thumbs up on this video. That would be awesome. If you have any questions on this car, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And also, to answer some of the questions, I've got an entire playlist on this car build series, and tons of other videos on it that would probably answer your questions anyway. So if you just click on my channel page and scroll through the videos, I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for. Anyways, if you made it this far in the video, also if you would just comment down below, Mopar. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.